Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Saltwater Aquarium. Firstly, place your aquarium where it will be appreciated and easily accessible. Most all-in-one aquariums are easy to assemble. Install the pump in the rear chamber and connect it to the flexible tubing leading to the display aquarium. Place the heater in the middle chamber and place the filter media such as filter socks or pads. Now add live sand. Live sand is essential for saltwater aquarium as it contains beneficial nitrifying bacteria. Add 3 to 5 lbs of live sand, enough to cover the bottom in a 1 to 2 inches layer. Dry live rock will eventually become live rock as beneficial bacteria grow on it. Ensure the rocks do not touch the walls of the aquarium and create a visually interesting structure. You can use super glue to gel and attach the rock pieces. Now add salt water. Use filtered Arrow water or Arrow DI water from the fish store to mix your salt water. Slowly pour the salt water into the rocks to maximize turbulence and reduce cloudiness. Now add beneficial nitrifying bacteria. Add live bacteria to jumpstart the nitrogen cycle, which helps break down the ammonia and prevents poisoning from fish waste. Once the tank is filled, you can turn on the pump and heater. If the live sand package includes a clarifier, add it to the aquarium. Finally, attach coral. Corals can be added immediately as they are not as susceptible to ammonia poisoning. Use epoxy and superglue gel to attach coral fragments to the aquascape. Now finally, add fish and make sure you do daily maintenance. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.